for sure. This my 2000 Chevy Tahoe. You know, that's the year that came with the split models and stuff. It's the Tahoe, is the for Z71 package. I got 188,000 miles on it, but I noticed when I bought it, it makes a noise, man. It makes a noise, and it's like it's coming from under here. I want to say it's like the where the cat converter is. I want to say it's like it got air leaking inside of it. So we're about to check it out. I want y'all to hear how it sounds, you know. Engine light on because it needs. Y'all hear that noise? Quiet underneath here. But it's coming from right here. Yeah, it's coming from right here. Because you can see the leaves and stuff. I mean, the grass moving. It ain't moving nowhere else. See that? The grass ain't moving nowhere else. Look at that, nowhere else. But right here. So that's definitely a leak, right, y'all? Underneath the hood, it don't shake that much. You can hear how quiet it is. Hear how quiet it is, but I'll show y'all underneath here. It got a little shake to it. Brand new alternator, you can definitely hear the little shake in it. What y'all think that is? Y'all think that's the spark plugs? I need some new spark plugs, you know, wires and stuff, or is it the motor mounts? I wonder which is it. Like, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate the help. It's a beautiful day, beautiful evening. Beautiful evening. This phone records so good. I ain't gonna lie. Pressure.